Mr. Babatunde started his wine business in Ogun State. He employed Adewale to take control of the room where his secret recipe for the wine is made. Babatunde introduced Adewale to his secret and magical recipe for the wine production. Business was going on so well, and everyone within the state and its environs loved the wine so much because of its unique tastes. Babatunde's friends approached him on several occasions asking to know the secrets behind his magical invention, but Babatunde diplomatically kept his trade secrets to himself. An American businessman named David Scott, who came to Ogun State to execute a project for the federal government, was offered Babatunde's wine at a local wine shop, and he fell in love with the wine. David Scott met with Babatunde to discuss a partnership with him. He made a proposal of investing $150 million in Babatunde's wine business. His intention was to make the production more standard to enable foreign export. He also agreed for Babatunde to own 70% of the company's equity. Babatunde was so happy and could not believe what he was hearing. His dreams of becoming wealthy have come true at last. But just before the paperwork were done to enable the scale-up for the business, a Chinese wine company approached Adewale. They made him an offer of 15 million naira for Adewale to come and work for them, and also to disclose Babatunde's secret recipe. Adewale accepted the offer, and within 3 months, business was set between Adewale and the Chinese company. They brought a better and more sophisticated version of Babatunde's wine into the market. Everyone abandoned Babatunde's local production and began patronizing this Chinese company. Seeing that the Chinese company has launched business in full, the American businessman withdrew his intention of creating a partnership with Babatunde. Babatunde felt betrayed by Adewale and went into chronic depression after consulting a lawyer and learned that he had no legal rights to enforce. This story highlights an important lesson for entrepreneurs. Your business is only as strong as the legal protections you put in place. Babatunde could have avoided this disaster with 2 key agreements. The first is a non-compete agreement, and the second is a non-disclosure agreement. A non-compete agreement could have restricted Adewale from working for a competitor, especially one in the same industry. A non-disclosure agreement, on the other hand, would have legally prevented Adewale from revealing Babatunde's secret recipe to anyone. These documents act as a shield, and they ensure that employees and partners cannot misuse sensitive business information. Babatunde's secret recipe could also have been safeguarded under intellectual property laws, specifically through a patent. Patents protect unique inventions, processes, or formulas from being copied or exploited without permission. With a patent, Babatunde could have enforced his exclusive rights and stopped the Chinese company from doing business with his secret recipe. As a business owner, your innovation is your gold mine, but without the right legal protections, it is vulnerable to